all those fights keep me stronger and wise. I know my words and my keys, choose them wise.
It's Ghost Island right now, so that's the theme of Survivor right now. Good morning, guys. Mom and I. Yeah. What song is this?
I first made this song, yeah. Nice song. What's that Alicia sing?
Can she
Not
sing?
a goat.
Yo, you know I've never heard her sing. I've only heard her sing Bend Down Low. Let me tell you something I know.
What that thing was?
That's the only song I've ever heard her sing. I've never seen her cry though. Only at the funeral. And her face was red. Red like a cherry. Me and Grandma cry all the time. Grandma just comes on the phone with and I just start bawling. I don't know what is with when Grandma cries. I just have to cry. I can't help it.
When Derval come in do. Mama.
I heard great grandma.
And then say Mama when they fight on the bathroom.
Yes, no. Grandma was sitting down shaking, like shaking. Yeah. And I don't know who, I just saw a hand. I was like blind to everything.
Me too.
But Grandma was sitting down because, what's her name? Madge came up and said, Safina, come, go get your grandma, go get your grandma. So I'm like, I got scared. I'm like, what's going on with Grandma? So when I looked, she was sitting on the chair and she was shaking. And then great grandma was like hollering and she was like falling back and everybody was like trying to pick her up. And then you were on the other side shaking and Pastor was holding you. And I didn't even know where I don't even know how I found the strength to get up and go read my remembrance.
You read it so good.
I don't think nobody understood a damn word I said.
Of course.
I just miss going to church on Sundays in Jamaica. Here, up here, it doesn't feel like no holiday. Shit, Easter, I didn't even know it was Easter.
Come here if me want to go to church, go worship me God. Me can't live here. Church there, but if me church there, me can just go along.
Yeah, it's way up here.
Let me text back, Carson. You should take film already.
Yes. Not late, my girl. I don't know. What are you gonna say?
Encourage her.
We just got to ShopRite. Guys, I'm wearing a dress. Wanna see it? And I have some damn sneakers on. Y'all should see this outfit I have on. It don't make no damn sense.
Alicia want to get it. Nah, get.
Alicia? Alicia likes gospel. She's always reading her Bible and has her gospel playing. My hot gal auntie.
I don't blame you for the way that you act. I know it's not your fault, you don't get attached. Yeah. Girl, I commend you for the things that you do. Don't let that nigga stop this love. Girl, it's okay to open up. Come sit your pretty ass down. Your past ain't pretty, girl, but look at you now. I love how you glow when you smile. Don't let that nigga ever see you down, baby.
Hey guys, so I just got back from off the road. I tried to vlog a little bit for you guys on the road with my mom, but my thing in my car broke and I have to buy a new one. And I can't remember the name of the like sticky thing that I can put my tripod on, so I'm gonna try and look for it today. So today I'm gonna fry some chicken so you guys can see. Leash, can you tell grandma to call mommy? She hasn't heard from her. Is she okay? And what was I talking about? My mind, guys, it comes and goes sometimes when I'm thinking about something. And so I'm cooking chicken winglets, and it's just the Perdue brand. Guys, so these are the seasoning I use. Mrs. Dash. I put a little oxtail seasoning in it, and then of course Maggi, a little black pepper, and then we use corn oil. So basically this is what the chicken looks like. So I'm just gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna let it sit, and then we'll fry it. Okay guys, so I have on makeup because I was filming. But right now I'm gonna fry the chicken for you guys to see. I look crazy, but I'm just gonna fry the chicken for you guys to see really quick. It's not gonna take me long. If you guys are Jamaican, you know what this is. So this is the pot I'm gonna use. So I'm basically gonna just use the corn oil. I don't remember, do you put bacon? I don't think you put bacon baking powder when you're frying chicken. Mom, when you're frying chicken, do you put baking powder in it?
That's flour.
You put it in the flour?
Yeah.
Do we have baking powder?
I don't know.
If you don't have baking
You don't
powder,
have to, but
I don't
you
know.
don't have to.
I don't think we have baking powder, Mommy.
You don't have it the same way.
Hold on, let me call Dad and see if I'm just, I don't know where it is.
Alright.
Alright, bye. Love you, bye.
That's all bad.
Bye. Dad, do we have baking powder?
Baking powder? No, I don't think so. I don't remember if any is there, really. If any there, it should be up on top of the left hand cupboard where we have my stuff. When you stand up before the stove with the blender up top, way up top in our liquor. Liquor jug like when we used to carry the drinks in and so on. You know, liquor plastic back with them.
Oh, okay. Is it
If any is there, that's where it should be.
Alright.
I'm gonna just wait down because that's what I did have it in the house before. So you can check way up on the top shelf. Those like a clear plastic thing with the cover I put like camera work.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright, thanks. Bye.
Alright.
So guys, we have the flour. I'm just using all-purpose flour. Maybe I need a bigger bowl. So we have the flour. We're gonna put some bacon powder in it. I don't even know how much to put in this shit. Like I told y'all, I am not a professional. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper in here. And then I'm gonna mix it around. So it looks like that. So this is the chicken after it's been sitting or whatever. Put 2 garlic cloves in there. And that just helps your chicken from burning. And I need all the help I can get. So I'm just flouring the chicken, and then guys, so I just finished cooking, as you guys can see. So I ordered some new sunglasses. I'm so broke, I don't even know why I'm buying sunglasses, but I really wanted these sunglasses. They look like this when I go on vacation. Let me show you these bad boys. There's these other brown ones that I love. I'm too broke right now to buy them, but I really like them. But this is what they look like. Oh, this is what they look like. Do you guys like them? Or are they a fail? Oh wow, my teacher looks so cute. I'm not gonna bore you guys. I will see you guys in my next vlog, and thank you guys so much for all your support and your love. I love you guys so much. Yeah.